talk about how to make your own body scrub. Well, body, you can use it on your face, you can use it on your lips. Okay, very good, very easy to do, natural, organic, and amazing for you. Okay, so this scrub in particular, like I was saying, body, face, and lips. Okay, first step on what you want to do is you want to go to the dollar store or whichever store you like. Go and get yourself a container. I prefer that you get glass because glass doesn't hold bacteria. It actually holds the active ingredients, which is very good, okay, which is what we need. So first step, you buy it, you clean it with soap and water, you let it dry, then you want to spritz the inside and inside of here with alcohol, okay, rubbing alcohol. 70% is fine. If you have a little bit of a higher amount, that's okay as well. Reason why you want to do that is because you want to kill off any bacteria that's stuck inside, okay, or from even the water. So that being said, I've cleansed it, I've disinfected. Second thing that you're gonna need is a bowl, okay, and a spoon. Yes, I'm using a little espresso spoon, so very easy. Now, what I would like to do is I'm gonna take the organic golden sugar, okay? So it's very good. It's actually sugar cane, okay? You can use it with anything. I bake with it. I use it for my scrubs. I use it in my, well, I don't have sugar in my coffee, but friends have used it in their coffee. So depending on how you kind of want to use it, it's great. So what you want to do is just go and buy it, open it up, okay? Now if you're using only, you want to use one, okay? What I like to do is I like to just measure it, okay? A little bit more. So measure the container that you want to use it for, okay? So very easy. So I kind of measured it. You throw it into the bowl, okay? If you want to make less, you can make less. It's completely up to you. But what I want to do here is I want to make enough that I can fill this up and it lasts for quite a while, okay? It does last for quite a few months because again, we've disinfected everything. We're using all organic ingredients, okay? Second step, what you want to do is you want to do equal parts, oops, let me turn around, equal parts of avocado and coconut oil blend. What I usually have done in the past, if you have coconut oil and avocado oil, that's great. Use them both. If not, I just found this, which is great, okay? And you can get it at any natural food store. You can get it at any shopper, grocery store, so very good, okay? All right, so same thing that you wanna do is I usually measure about half, okay? Half of the container that I wanna put. So very easy measurements, and that's kind of what I start off with, okay? So you apply it in there. Sometimes it's equal parts, but usually half is what does the trick. Then you just want to turn it, mix it around, okay? So half of that was perfect. So again, so you see the consistency. You don't want it too oily, but you also don't want it too thick either, okay? Just enough. Now, if you find that it's getting a little bit on the harder side, add a little bit more oil, and it's perfect, okay? So, next step, okay? So we got that. Now, I'm also gonna use a vitamin E capsule. So, depending on what you wanna do, I usually like to use 2 for this amount. If you're making a smaller amount, then obviously you would just use 1, okay? So what I've done in the past as well is if I wanna make it more on the lemony side, I'll add lemon extract, okay? So I just literally cut the capsule and put it in. So again, second capsule, cut it, and put it in. It's like I'm baking, okay? You just cut it, okay? Then you want to mix that in as well. So what the major benefits, okay? Vitamin E is very nourishing. Vitamin E actually helps create collagen in your skin, okay? As well as it does in the body as well. My goodness, I can't talk today. So, okay, you just mix it. So vitamin E is great for the collagen, okay? The avocado oil and the coconut oil, yes, they are very nourishing. They are very hydrating. Avocado oil, believe it or not, is actually a disinfectant, okay? So which is really good. So it's like an antibacterial. It does help to heal and nourish as well, okay? And get rid of any bacteria on the body. Very good. So many benefits, okay? So that's mixed in. This one I want to make more of a lemony kind of feel because I want to use it more on my body and my lips. My husband, you know, he doesn't have much hair, so he actually uses the whole for as well, which is really good. So, again, lemon extract, okay, it's whatever I found. Just make sure that anything you use is all organic and can be edible, okay? I do a few drops, depending on how strong you want it. Great. Okay. And then you mix it. The smell, guys. Oh, I love the lemony smell. I just love lemons. I love citrus. So, and again, lemon is very invigorating, okay? It also might give you a little bit of a tingle, which is great. And that's it. So, it's ready to go. Okay, you just pop it in. Okay, it's in there. There you go. Love it. And then you seal it up. You can either label it, you know, with all the ladies out there that love to do labels and so on, or you can leave it as is. Really cute. You can use for yourself. You can give it to a friend. Completely up to you. Everyone that I have given this to or made this for has loved it. So, little something from me to you. Enjoy, guys. Let me know how it goes. Okay.